Do you have an error with the ODBC Jet32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get ODBC Jet Driver Legacy working again. Ensure your ODBC Jet32 environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the ODBC Jet32, the ODBC Jet Desktop Database driver. It manages the localized connection between localized legacy database tools and localized Microsoft Access or Excel files using the localized Jet Engine protocol. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like ODBC Jet32.dll. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered ODBC Jet32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of ODBC Jet32.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for ODBC Jet32. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure ODBC Jet32 remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.